Hi friends, today we'll be making a carrot herbal hair deep conditioner. Stay tuned. First, we'll start with 2 medium-sized carrots that have been washed and peeled, then we'll cut it into small cubes. Carrots have been said to improve shine, strength and thickness of hair, as well as improve blood circulation to the scalp, which in turn helps to promote hair growth. We are going to boil the carrots on the stove on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the carrots are soft but firm. While that's boiling, I'm going to chop a banana into small pieces as well. Bananas are great for conditioning and softening hair. This is optional, but I had this banana at home and it was on its way out, so I figured I'd use it up. And this is the great thing about DIYs, you can adjust your recipes to your liking and use what you have available. After about 15 or 20 minutes, I turned the stove off and allowed the mixture to sit and cool. This is the consistency that I want, not too hard, but not too soft. Next, I'll go ahead and add the carrots and the water to the blender along with the banana and blend until smooth. Once blended, I'll strain the mixture to get rid of any lumps. You can just use the liquid if you want. However, I prefer having thicker hair products, so I also strain the carrot pulp through and use that in my mixture. So I made a tad bit too much, so what I'm gonna do is pour out some of this carrot banana mixture into a separate bowl to make my deep conditioner. To the carrot banana mix, I'll add about 1 tablespoon of hair oil, and I'm using my herb infused hair growth oil. To that, I'll add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a humectant and helps the hair to retain moisture. To that, I'm going to add a herbal blend that I made from 1 tablespoon each of Neem powder, Bhringraj powder, Brahmi powder, and Ashwagandda powder. Make sure you wear a mask when dealing with powders like this to prevent inhaling the fine particles. The herbs in this blend have many benefits, including being great for regrowing hair, soothing and nourishing the scalp, treating scalp infections and dandruff, strengthening the hair root, and promoting hair growth. I'll link an article below where you can get more information about the many benefits of these and other ayurvedic herbs. Then I'll go ahead and I'll add some patchouli essential oil and tea tree essential oil. This combo is great for keeping hair healthy and moisturized, as well as addressing scalp issues. These essential oils are optional. Also, you could choose to substitute them for a different essential oil. Then I'll add some of my favorite conditioner. I always add conditioner to my DIYs because it provides slip, contributes to the thickness of the product, and this particular conditioner is very moisturizing. Lastly, I'll add some aloe vera gel. So once we have all these ingredients, we're just gonna mix it to combine. Then I'll cover and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I will apply it to my hair from root to tip. I leave it on my hair for about 30 minutes. I cover with a plastic cap to trap heat, or if you have a hooded dryer, you could use a hooded dryer. And one disclaimer I have to make is if you have light colored hair or sensitive skin, please do a patch test first. After 30 minutes, You can go ahead and rinse this mixture out, then wash and condition and style your hair per your usual hair routine. After I rinsed this mixture out, my hair was shiny and moisturized. Now I did have some of the carrot banana mixture left over, so I'll just put this in an ice cube tray and freeze it and store those ice cubes for a future date. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care and body care DIYs. Until next time, have a great day.